Today we will learn how to do motion tracking in Premiere Pro. First, create a rectangle shape on the video. Then create another smaller rectangle. Rotate it 20 to 30 degrees and attach it to a point on the rectangle. Then create a small ellipse and attach it to the smaller rectangle. Then create a text box inside the rectangle with the Type tool. I'm typing Jack here. Place the text in the proper center. Make the text layer as long as the duration of the video. Right-click and choose the Nested Sequence option. With the layer selected, go to the Effect Controls panel and decrease the scale value. Set the graphic layer to the tracking point and zoom in the program screen. It looks a little large because of the zoom in. Let's reduce its scale value a little more and then set the position. Then, turn on the toggle animation of position. Now click Shift plus right arrow to forward 5 frames. Place it on point again. Repeat this process until the video ends. And you're done. That's it for today. If you like the video, then subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, GraphiX Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.